what is Aashwasan? It's just you and me. I had to give it a name because I realized that in a world such as ours, there is no free thinking. You couldn't just be a child and walk around and spread love. Can you imagine? It's just not possible. You had to have a justifiable reason to have an institution that is properly run and has a justifiable reason of that purpose called spreading love. So Aashwasan had to be an institution. But those who have walked inside that door would know we don't run like one. We're trying very hard, but we don't run like one. We fail miserably. And that's because, the world is a structure. The day we all collectively break that structure, we won't need a structure to be us. Sometimes the structure is very, very important. And that wisdom to decide when a structure must be there and when it must not be there is that human intelligence or intuitiveness that we have lost. And that's what we are here to find, us.